Let's learn about completing a table of ratios. Fill in the missing values in the table below that shows the relationship between two quantities, A and B. Then plot the pairs of values on a coordinate plane. We have our quantity A and B right here in our table. When A is 2, B is 4. When A is 3, we don't know what that B value is. We have to find that. When A is 4, B is 8. And when A is 5, B, again, we need to find that as well. So we have to use the clues here and here. From 2 to 4, for every values of 2 for A, we have 4 for B. And for 4 for A, we have 8 for B. It seems like we're doubling, right? We're taking our quantity A, multiplying it by 2 to get that 4. Same thing here. Take the 4, multiply it by 2, we get that 8. So if we apply that for our other ones that are missing, 3 times 2 gives us a 6, and 5 times a 2 gives us a 10. So now we have completed the table. Let's go plot our points. We have a coordinate plane here, A and B, and we want to go, well, plot our points. So A values go 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can go by ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't need any more. And B's go up to 10. So we should have enough here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just barely. So let's go plot our points. The first one here has a coordinate point. If we're dealing with our A, comma, B like that, we'll plot that. We have a 2, comma, a 4 here. So when A is 2, B is 4, and we have that point right here. The next one, we have 3, comma, 6, 3A, 6 right here. We got another point right there. Next one is 4, comma, 8, same idea. A is 4, right here. We go up to 8, looks like it's right here. And lastly here, we have a 5, comma, a 10. When A is 5, we have a 10. It's about right there. Okay, and so there we have it. We filled in our table with missing values, and we put the pairs on values on the coordinate plane right here. Well, I hope you learned something here about completing a table of ratios and plotting the values on a coordinate plane. And as always, thanks for watching.